Hey everybody, Mr. Copsmith, principal at Central High School, welcoming you back to a new school year. You'll see me like this all the time, but if you want to know what I really look like, this is what I look like. We're excited for you to come back. We can't wait for you to come back next week. Remember, 8th grade, you're starting on Tuesday. You see our signs, got to have a mask when you come in the building, and we got to stay 6 feet apart. A little bit different, but we're going to make it work. Look forward to seeing you in a few days. Take care.
Hi you guys, I'm Miss Reynolds, the assistant principal at Central High School, and you'll see me with my mask on during the school day, but many people know me without my mask on. I'm here with my 2 crazy dogs right now, but I just wanted to let you know I'm so excited to have you guys back in the building or along virtually throughout the school year with us. We've been working hard all summer to get the building prepared and safe for you all, so welcome back to the 2020 school year, and see you soon.
Hi everybody, I am our new school counselor, Miss Crane. So what that means is I can see kids individually or in small groups. So if more than one kid is struggling with the same thing, I can see all of you. And then I also come into classrooms sometimes. So one of the things that I can talk to you guys about is stress, anxiety, if you're struggling with maybe some grief, or you want to think about what you want to do after high school, that college, career, trade school, all that different kind of planning, tons of different things. I can also meet with all of our students virtually as well, so through video, phone call, all of that, so yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm Ms. Strauss, the new college advisor for Central High School. I can help with test registration, college applications, financial aid and FAFSA, or whatever it is you want to do after high school. I can point you in the right direction. Also, I have 2 tuxedo cats. This one is Millie, and this one is Milo. So whether it's virtual or in person for now, I'm really excited to meeting you all and getting to work with you. Seniors, I'm going to give you my contact information. There's a survey for you to fill out. It really helps me get to know how to help you and what you all need. Really looking forward to navigating this year with you, and can't wait to meet you guys.
My name is Sharon Martin. I'm the instructional coach for King and Queen County Public Schools. I'm so excited for your return. Remember, this year we have to wear masks, so you'll be seeing me in the hallways looking like this, but this is the true me. Can't wait to see you, Tigers.
Hi, Royal Tiger family. This is Nurse McLean holding the clinic down at Central High School this coming school year. A big welcome back to all new and returning students. As a reminder, if you're sick, please stay home. I want to ensure the health and safety of all my staff and students. Don't forget, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and keep your distance from others. Backup cameraman is supposed to be 6 feet.
Hey guys, Mrs. Powell here. Just wanted to introduce myself again to those of you that don't know me. I'm a member of the Social Studies Department, and I will be teaching AP Government and Government this year, along with AP US History. And I asked my 6-year-old daughter, Jordan, 3 things that she thinks you guys should know about me. The first thing she said is that I have a friendly daughter. There she is. Second thing is that I've ridden horses my entire life and shown horses my entire life. And lastly, she said that my students are like family, and that's you guys. So looking forward to this upcoming school year, and Jordan has a message.
Have a good school year.
Hello, and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Jacinthia Gray, and I will be teaching Virginia and U.S. History along with World History and Geography too. I'm extremely excited to be in King and Queen this year. I think the most exciting fact about me is that I was born and raised in King and Queen, Virginia as well. So as I mentioned before, I'm extremely excited to be home and embark on this journey. I hope that you all are as well. Once a Royal Tiger, always a Royal Tiger.
Welcome back, Tigers. Looking forward to the 2021 school year. My name is Dylan Dehart, and I'll be teaching World History 1 and Global Studies here at Central, and I will be the new head football coach. Looking forward to working with all you young people at Central. Go Tigers!
Greetings, Tiger family. I'm Mr. Jackson, lead special education teacher here at King and Queen Central High School. This year, I will be teaching collaborative studies with U.S. History, World History 2, World History 1, and Global Studies. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you return for the 2020-2021 academic school year. Go Tigers!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Pearl, and I'm the English 10, English 11, and AP Lang and Comp teacher. This is going to be my 25th year teaching and my 5th year at CHS. I'm the English department head, the cheer coach, the National Honor Society sponsor, and the junior class sponsor. I'm really excited about finally having students back in the classroom again. I know it's going to be an interesting and challenging year, but we'll get through it together. I'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Urshan. I'll be teaching 9th grade and 12th grade English at the high school this year. I'm so looking forward to getting to know everybody. I'll also be the senior sponsor, and I'll be working with the yearbook, so I will really get to know probably everybody. I am so looking forward to finding out more information about my Urshan scholars. As we come into the classroom or as we meet virtually, we're going to have such interesting times. Again, looking forward to seeing you. Have a good weekend.
Welcome back. I'm Miss Warrington. I teach English 8. This is my little baby Nene here and my first grandchild. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you this school year.
Hi, this is Miss Draper, special education teacher here at Central High School. This year, I will be co-teaching English 8th, 9th, and 11th. I look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday, and remember to wear your mask.
Hello, I'm Mr. McGalla. I've been here at Central for 9 years, so most of you already know me. I will be teaching Algebra 2, Math Analysis, and after this year. I hope everybody's feeling well, and if you're coming to school, I hope to see you Tuesday. Take care.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bonner. I'm going to be the Algebra 1 and Geometry teacher this year at Central High School in King and Queen County. I'm new to King and Queen County this year, but this will be my 24th year teaching, so this isn't my first rodeo. So I look forward to meeting all of you and getting to know everyone. So, see you soon.
Hey y'all, it's Ms. Kessling and I'll be teaching 8th grade math this year. I can't wait to see everybody.
Hello, my name is Miss Randall and I am a special education teacher. I look forward to seeing you on the first day of school and excited about this new school year. I have my mask on so we can be safe and socially distanced. So you probably will see me like this most of the time, pretty much all the time. But I just wanted to let you know what I look like without the mask. So here I am without the mask. Anyways, I hope we have a wonderful year and I'm looking forward to it. One team, one mission, one family. Go Tigers!
Hey, my name is Cindy Lester and I'll be teaching physical science and ecology. I am coming to you from my home on Carter's Creek in Lancaster County. And being on the water is something I truly love and would do it every day if I could figure out a way. A little bit about myself. I have 2 dogs, boy and a girl. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. My daughter lives in Orlando. But no, she doesn't work at Disney World. No cheap tickets. I was lucky enough to go to the greatest college ever, in my humble opinion. And Steph Curry also went there. So there's some trivia. If you know where Steph Curry went, you know where I went. And let me know when I meet you. I'm looking forward to getting back into the classroom with students soon. And can't wait till you guys all come by.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Kira Ann Carroll, and I'm going to be teaching biology and environmental science. A couple of fun facts about me: I love science, I love to read, and I have a dog, a little Chihuahua Pomeranian named Buttons. I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody this year, and I know we are going to have a wonderful year together.
Hello everyone, this is Coach Hancock. I'm the health and PE teacher here at Central High School, along with my colleague, the other health and PE teacher.
Hi, I'm Coach Zip. I also teach driver's education.
And like I said, we're looking forward to seeing everybody this year. I know it's going to be a little bit different. This is our new gym. It's looking great. We can't wait to see you guys. I want everybody to be out there. Stay safe. Don't forget, wear your masks.
Here's how we'll look to everybody.
Exactly. It's going to look more like this. Now we can get within 6 feet of each other. So that's a little bit better if I can ever get the thing on. There we go. So, you guys stay safe, and we will see you at the beginning of the school year. I think we're ready. Hello, King and Queen.
How we doing, KQ?
This is Mr. T, and this is
Joe Harper.
We will be your CTE department this year. I will be teaching renewable technology and career education, and Mr. Harper will teach
Principles of Technology.
So we can't wait to see everybody, and we hope y'all are staying safe, and hurry up and get back.
And sign up for CTE classes.
Everybody gather round now, 'cause we're going back to school. Don't you worry if you don't speak Spanish, 'cause I'm gonna teach you. My name is Señorita Miller, and I live in King and Queen. I've been here for my whole life, and I've been teaching for 6 years. Hey, you know everybody, I'm so psyched to meet you. I can't wait to see you when we come back to school. I know we're gonna have a great year together, so grab your laptop and let the learning flourish. Bet. I will see you all next week. Ciao!
Hey guys, Miss Henry. I'm super excited to get to see you guys again soon. It feels like it's been forever. And most of the summer, I've been spending all my time with this guy. This is Pip, guys. Anyway, I'm sure you guys are all really excited to see him since I talk about him. Hope to see you soon.
Hello, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Smith. I am the Senior Army Instructor for Junior ROTC. I look forward to working with you in the new school year. Thank you.
Central High School Royal Tigers, welcome new and welcome back old. I'm Master Sergeant Dolan, and I am the Army Instructor for JROTC. I have missed you. This year has been challenging and will continue to be challenging. However, we will make it through. I'm excited to get back in the classroom, and I hope you are too. So let's make this one for the record books. Remember, that which does not kill you only makes you stronger, and it builds character too.
Hi, I'm Miss Kate, and I'm a paraprofessional special education here at Central High School. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. Let's have a good year.
Hi, my name is Coach Bedell. I'm a paraprofessional in the special education department. Hope to see your bright, sunshiny faces on September 8th. With your mask on.
Hi everybody, this is Miss Holmes, the ISS teacher. Can't wait to see you guys on the 8th. Make sure you wear your mask and stay safe, okay?
Welcome back, Central High. This is Miss Ball. I'm a para with the special education department. We can't wait to see you on Tuesday.